Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I managed to pay off $100,000 in debt in just 1 year. This was an intense journey full of challenges and triumphs, and I hope my story can inspire and help you on your financial journey. Before diving into the details, let me give you a bit of background about myself. A year ago, I was buried in debt. I had $100,000 in student loans, credit card debt, and a car loan. It felt like a mountain I'd never be able to climb. But with determination, strategic planning, and a lot of hard work, I managed to pay it all off in just 1 year. Step 1. Assessing the situation. Identify the types and amounts of debt. The first step was to face the reality of my situation. I gathered all my financial statements and listed every single debt I owed. I had student loans, credit card debts, and a car loan. The total was a staggering $100,000. Understanding the interest rates. I noted the interest rates for each debt. This helped me prioritize which debts to tackle first. The ones with the highest interest rates were my top priority. Emotional impact and motivation. Facing this reality was tough, but it also motivated me. I was determined to turn my financial situation around. Step 2. Creating a budget, developing a realistic budget. Next, I created a budget. This was crucial. I tracked every dollar I earned and spent. I used apps like Mint and YNAB to help me track my expenses and stick to my budget, cutting unnecessary expenses. I cut out all non-essential expenses. No more dining out, no more expensive coffees, no more impulsive shopping. Every dollar saved was a dollar towards my debt. I switched to a cheaper phone plan, canceled subscriptions I didn't use, and cooked at home, finding additional income. I also looked for ways to increase my income. I took on freelance gigs, sold items I didn't need, and even started a side hustle. Step 3. Debt repayment strategy. Choosing a debt repayment method. I researched different debt repayment strategies and chose the avalanche method. This means I focused on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, making extra payments. Whenever I had extra money, whether from a side job or cutting expenses, I put it towards my debt. This helped me pay off the principal faster and reduce the interest I owed. Staying disciplined and focused. Sticking to the plan was challenging. There were times I wanted to give up, but I kept my goal in mind. I reminded myself of the freedom that comes with being debt-free. I created a vision board, celebrated small wins, and stayed accountable by sharing my progress with friends and family. Step 4. Managing setbacks. Handling unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and I faced some setbacks along the way. There were unexpected expenses, but I didn't let them derail my plan, adjusting the plan as needed. I adjusted my budget and repayment plan when necessary. Flexibility is key. The important thing is to stay committed to the overall goal. Mental and emotional resilience. Maintaining a positive mindset was crucial. I practiced mindfulness and stayed connected with my support system. Conclusion and QA. Paying off $100,000 in debt in 1 year was one of the hardest things I've ever done, but it was also one of the most rewarding. The sense of freedom and accomplishment is incredible. I learned so much about myself and my relationship with money. If I can do it, so can you. It's all about determination, strategic planning, and staying focused on your goal. QA session. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about my debt repayment journey or need advice on your own situation, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal finance and debt management. Remember, you can achieve financial freedom. Stay determined and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.